My children, today Grandpa has brought something unbelievable, a way to use Claude AI without paying every single month. Yes, free Claude AI, and almost unlimited if you know this little trick. Now, let Grandpa show you this free unlimited method to use Claude AI. Most people think Claude Pro is the only way to use Claude AI, but that's exactly what they want you to believe. Today, Grandpa will show you a simple method to use Claude AI for free. Also, no student email and no complicated setup required. Make sure that you watch this video carefully. Don't skip even one step, or you'll miss the secret. Now come to your computer screen, my dear children. Open Google and search for AI Arena. Click on the first website. Using this website, Grandpa will show you a free trick to use Claude AI. Stay until the end to see how it works. Now come to left tab. On the bottom of the left tab, click Log In button. Now click Continue with Google and sign in with your Google account. Now it asks for permissions, simply allow them and click Continue. Once your account is ready, it's time to select the Claude's latest and top model. At the top, open Battle Mode and switch to Direct. Select Max and choose Code. Then search for Claude in the models. You'll see several Claude models at the bottom. I'll choose Claude Sonnet 5, highest model. Now I'll enter a simple prompt. Make a calculator web app. In just a few seconds, the AI writes the code and builds a fully functional calculator app. Now watch carefully. Claude is generating a complete web application absolutely free. And there you go. Your professional-looking calculator app is ready. You can even run and test this app here to make sure everything works. If you want to save it to your computer, then click the Download button. Now Grandpa has one small work for you. If this trick saved you money, hit the like button and subscribe. That helps Grandpa bring you more free AI tools and secrets every week. Until then, take care, my children. Bye.